Hello, I'm Andy from Nova Medical Hair Transplant in Miami. In this video, we will be providing an overview of a hair transplant timeline. I see you decided to get a FUE hair transplant in Miami, correct? Great! You'll be relieved to learn that having a full head of hair has health and psychological benefits. Hair transplantation with the FUE, follicular unit extraction, method is more cost-effective than the more time-consuming FUT, follicular unit transplantation, and the recovery time is considerably shorter. It's essential to remember that recovery starts right after surgery. Unlike FUT, this procedure does not need the excision of skin strips and instead harvests hair follicles from the donor area. As a result, you will be able to return to work as soon as the hair transplant surgery is completed. The most urgent concern, however, is how long it will take for your hair to recuperate and when it will resume its natural and healthy appearance. Since the follicles have been implanted in their new locations, you will be able to see the shape of your new hairline immediately after the FUE operation. However, since each follicle will be surrounded by scabbing, it may not seem as beautiful on the surface as you had anticipated. The scabs will be little and heal fast since none of the wounds are longer than a millimeter. There should be no cause that prevents you from returning to work right away, but you may wish to take a week or two off first. 2 weeks after your FUE surgery, you may be surprised to discover that all of your newly transplanted hairs have begun to fall out. Don't worry, this is a normal part of the procedure and doesn't necessarily mean the grafts have failed to take hold. It may take as long as 18 months for the full effects of the hair transplant in Miami to become apparent after the procedure. Due to the fact that hair grows at a rate of about 1 centimeter per month, it may take some time before you see any new growth. Although you should begin to have a solid sense of the final look after 4 to 5 months. The success of your hair transplant, like any other medical procedure, is contingent on your ability to follow your doctor's recommendations. Patients typically heal quickly from this outpatient procedure and begin to reap the full advantages of their transplant within a year of having it performed in the clinic. Even better, these therapies may have a long-term effect. The specialists at Nova Medical Hair Transplant Miami are here to help you figure out which hair loss therapy is ideal for you. To discuss hair restoration methods that may be appropriate for you, contact us to arrange a consultation with one of our highly educated specialists.